Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video is a requested video, and I'm going to be creating two candle vases for the bridesmaids table. I have two ideas, and the requester asked me to use some food coloring, which is great. She wanted a light watery type of color, so that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to just jump right into it, and I'm going to start off by cleaning both or all the items off with a little bit of alcohol on a paper towel. So this is the food coloring that I used. I got this from Amazon. It has 12 colors inside. So I'm going to be using the blue shades, the navy blue and the sky blue. Blend a little bit of those together. I'm going to use about half of a teaspoon of my Aleene's clear tacky gel glue, and I'm going to use 2 capfuls of water, and I'm going to blend that until it's smooth. After that, I'm going to add a couple of drops of the food coloring and blend that very well. So this is a beautiful candle holder that I picked up from my discount store, and I'm going to paint the outside of the candlestick holder and give it a nice beautiful soft bluish color. So I'm just going to paint the outside, and I'm also going to paint underneath the bottom and inside the little area where the candle goes. Candlestick holder is dry, but the vase isn't quite dry yet. But what I'm going to do is just show you what that looks like once the color adheres completely. This is going to be very beautiful, guys, and it looks beautiful the way it is without any decoration. I love this look. So while that continues to dry, I'm just going to turn that back over, and I'm going to use some alcohol and paper towel and clean off the areas where I'm going to adhere. I'm going to be using my Aleene's mixed media adhesive, and I'm going to apply a little bit of that to the top of the candlestick holder, and then I'm going to adhere that to the bottom of the vase. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the second vase, and I'm going to let both projects completely dry. So both projects are completely dry, guys, and this is what they look like. They are so beautiful. I love the way it looks, and the color is really nice. It's soft and it has a watery looking effect. So this, I really like the way this came out. It came out really, really nice. So the decoration I'm going to be using today is called Bridal Chain, and I picked this up a couple of years ago from Amazon, and I'm going to be using this today to decorate the vases. So this particular chain, bridal chain, has these little points at the bottom. Now these chains are meant to be sewn onto garments. So as you can see, it's fully bendable, and these little points at the top are just part of what's going to hold it to fabric. So I just want to show you how easy it is to cut the chain. You just cut it at its joint area, use a pair of pliers, and just cut it. You can also use scissors if you like. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you how easy that is. So this is the double-sided adhesive tape. It's very, very sticky on both sides. This tape sticks to glass very well. So what I'm going to do here is apply one layer all the way around the top part of the vase. And then I'm going to just cut that off. Once you cut the tape, cut the red tape longer than the actual sticky tape itself. That way you'll have enough of a lead the next time you use the tape. So I'm just going to press the tape into place, and then I'm going to apply the chain. I'm going to press that into the tape. So I'm showing you that right here. I'm going to press that into the tape. The tape is going to adhere this very, very well. So you can see how nice this looks. This came out really, really nice. And so guys, that is it. Look how nice that looks. It looks really nice. So guys, let me know what you think about the project. Do you think this is pretty enough to set on a bridesmaid's table? So I want to thank you so much for joining me, guys. I do appreciate it. So please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.